Boost your client interaction and seal more transactions. Discover how the Bombbomb and Liondesk integration revolutionizes your real estate communication. First, ensure you possess both a Bombbomb and a Liondesk account. If not, procure them. Within Liondesk, access your settings and then navigate to your integrations page. Locate and select Bombbomb from the available integrations list. You'll be prompted to link your Bombbomb account. Input your Bombbomb login details, the email and password used for Bombbomb access, and grant Liondesk the required permissions for seamless communication. With accounts linked, access a contacts record. A Bombbomb option, probably at the bottom or within a tab, will appear. Send personalized video messages straight from the contact record. Click the Bombbomb icon to record a new video, select from your library, or upload a new video. Customize your video by adding a title and a personal note. Then, your contact will receive the video directly within Liondesk. Congratulations! Your Bombbomb and Liondesk integration is complete. Start sending engaging video messages to nurture leads, stay relevant, strengthen client relationships, and close more deals.